Hey there, TRW crew, Matt Vassallo here with the rhinestoneworld.com. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how awesome our TRW slashing font is. Just working in any software, and the example I'm going to use here today is your Silhouette Studio Designer Edition software. So, here's what we're going to do. We're just going to come over here to our fonts. Now, the font I'm using is this one right there, our slashing font. It's an amazing font drawn by our TRW artist that is not only a true type font with commercial use, which means you can make finished products with it without worrying about it, but it also has all these different elements in it that make it so awesome. So I'm going to come over to my text area here, and I got my TRW slashing font, which is this one right here. So if I just typed out Wildcats and I do the @ sign, look at the tail. It just adds in there perfect for me. Isn't that pretty sweet right there? So let's get a few others. Take away that tail. I do the money sign. It's actually a money sign. I do the % sign. It adds another tail. Above the 6, another one. Above the 7 is just the and sign. Above the 8, the little star just adds the line underneath. And then another one that we have here is the one under the above the 3, the number sign. So I'm going to show you how easy this one is to work first. So when you look at that, you say, oh man, it's not really lined up. No problem, really easy. Just click on the actual design. You can right click on it and just ungroup it. You're going to take this part of the design now, grab this corner right here, drag it over a tiny bit, and this is a perfectly ready cut file. How sweet is that, right? Now, I could change the colors of this to whatever I want as well, but this is my cut file ready to go, all right? Let's go back a few steps and let's show you another one with an actual tail. Same type thing. So, coming back to where my font's all together, and now I have my font again here, and this time I'm going to use the one with above the 2. So it has the little basketball built into it and everything. But let's say we weren't doing Wildcats, and this time it's a little more difficult. We're doing Mustangs. So Mustangs looks pretty good, but we got some issues. We got the G going down in there. We got the tail is not really filling out that entire word. So watch what I would do. Click on my design, right click and ungroup again. Let's grab this part of my design. I'm just going to drag that corner again. Even it out perfect. That was pretty easy, right? Now I still have an issue with my G here, okay? So take the G, I'm going to right click and bring it to the front so it's on that front layer. Now that it's on that front layer, I want to create a little offset. So right click, offset, and you can see the offset that it created. I'm going to do maybe about a 0.8 offset. So I know it's not going into my S and my N. So with that selected, I'm going to hold Shift, click on my tail. I'm going to come over now to my objects and modify, and I'm going to subtract that area out of the tail. So when I hit subtract, look what it did right there. Now we have a ready to go file. The only thing we need to fix is that little area right there. So highlight the entire thing where it's going to cut, right click and weld, and we have a perfectly ready cut file. So, if we wanted to make this whatever color we want, let's select all of these right here. Let's come over to our colors here. I'm going to say I want this to be blue and red. So, there's my blue. And then the basketball, we want to make that maybe a red. Highlight them all. Let's get rid of that little outline. So, we'll click on our lines here, and we will clear that outline back behind it. And there's our perfectly ready cut file. So, all of these different fonts are not only, a lot of you see the videos of us using it in the TRW Design Wizard, they can be used in any software, and that's what's so amazing about them. So, here's the benefit of watching this video. Number 1, you learned a few things. You see how easy it is to work with these fonts. Number 2, right there is a coupon code to be able to get this font at a discounted price on the website. Right below, just check the first line of the description, use that coupon code. I also put a link to the actual font in that description as well, and you're going to save some money just for watching this video. So hope you enjoyed the video. Please click that like button. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel here. Click that little bell. You'll get a reminder each time we create a new video, and comment below. Let me know what you think of this font and video. So thanks for watching, guys. You guys have an amazing day. We'll see you soon. Later.